Rains and rivers. Rivers. Water flows in small streams from the mountain slopes during the rainy season. When it rains again, water flows down the same channels. Transformation of a stream into a broad river. As its source, a river usually is in the form of a thin stream. Rivers or streams which join a large river are called tributaries. As the river becomes bigger and broader, its flow gets slower. It starts depositing the silt and sand it has carried on its bed and banks. When the flood water comes again, they have to cut through new channels to reach the sea. Thus, towards the end of the journey to the sea, a river forms a delta. Perennial rivers. The rivers that have water in them throughout the year. Rivers Krishna and Godavari stands from western Ghats which receive heavy rains. The rainwater slowly percolates into the ground and flows into the river all throughout the year. Floodplains and floods. The tireless bed is called the floodplain of a river. All major rivers have their floodplains like Krishna, Godavari, Brahmaputra, etc. Floods are often caused by sudden increase in the volume of water reaching a river. If the surface of the land is covered with vegetation, then soil erosion is greatly reduced. Every time when there is a heavy rainfall, the rainwater rapidly flows down the slope of the mountains and fills up the floodplain of the river. Frequent floods cause heavy damage to life and property along the river. Cyclones. Our state has a long coastline and is frequently faced with very destructive cyclones. The worst cyclone hit the state in November 1977. 6 meters high tidal waves swept across villages in coastal Andhra Pradesh, killing 9,941 people. Damages of cyclone like loss of lives, crops, houses, etc. How can the people prepare for disasters? During cyclones and floods, listen to radio and TV weather reports. Keep an emergency kit ready at home. Example, currency, telephone numbers, etc. Place where refuse could be sought in case of cyclone. Move to a Pakka building if you feel your house is too weak to withstand even an ordinary upsurge. If the cyclone strikes while you are on a vehicle, stop, but keep away from the seashore, trees, electric poles and other objects that may be uprooted during the gale. Look out for snakes that may come out of their holes. Do not enter into flood water, it may be too deep. Do not venture outside, especially into the sea, during and after the warning has been sounded. Measure during floods. Drink boiled water only. Keep your food covered. Don't eat heavy food. Use raw tea, rice water, tender coconut water, etc. during diarrhea. Do not let children remain on empty stomach. Use bleaching powder and lime to disinfect the surroundings. Do not eat food that have got wet in flood water. Avoid entering flood water. If you have to enter, wear proper protection for your feet and check depth and current with a stick. Stay away from water over knee-deep depth. Use halogen tablets to purify water before drinking. Ask village health worker for details. Be careful of snakes which travels along with the flood water. Snake bites are common during floods.